Hello everyone, here in this practice we are going to learn how to use logical operators and where clause. Here we have two practices. The first one, write a query to display the full name, which is the last name concatenated with the first name, and we have to give it an alias here, full name. And we want also to display the hire date, the department ID of all employees who were hired in 2008. So first we want to display the full name, which is last underscore name. We can concatenate the last name with space here and then concatenate it with first underscore name, and we can give it an alias full name in this case, comma. We want to display the hire date, so here we can retain the hire underscore date, and we also want to display the department ID, so this is department ID from table employees. We want to filter the output where for only employees who were hired in 2008. So here we can use the hire date column to filter the output. Who were hired in 2008, we can use where hire date greater than or equal 1st of January 2008 and hire underscore date smaller than or equal 31 of December 2008. So here the hire date greater than 1st of January 2008 and smaller than 31 of December 2008. That means hired in 2008. We can highlight the select statement and click run. So as we can see, all employees hired in 2008. We can also rewrite this select statement using between, and we can use here between 1st of January 2008 and 31 of December 2008. So here we have 11 records. We can run the select statement again and the same output here. So here we can use either logical operator and, or we can use between and comparison operator. In the second practice, write a query to display the last name, job ID, salary for all employees whose job ID is IT prog and whose salary is not equal to 4,200 or 4,800. So let's simplify first the query. We want to display the last name. Select last underscore name. The job, which is job ID. Again, if you don't memorize the column list, we can go to tables, employees, and here we go. Job ID, salary from table employees, and the condition where job is IT underscore prog. So we can use here job underscore ID equal IT prog. The job ID stored in the table or stored in the database as capital letter. So if you want to search on the job ID, you must provide here capital letter, otherwise it will return nothing. You must use the same case when you search on string or character in the table or in the database. So here where job ID equal IT prog and whose salary. So here we have to use and logical operator, and salary is not equal to 4,200 or 4,800. So you can use here not in 4,200 and 4,800. Salary is not equal to the first value or not equal to the second value. So here we can use not in the first value and not in the second value. Once finished, highlight the select statement and click run. So this is the output. As we can see, the job ID is IT prog and the salary is not in 4,200 or 4,800. So in this practice, we learn how to use logical operators in where clause. I hope this video was informative for you and thank you for watching.